In this pivot table video, I'd like to show you how to add a rank column in your Excel pivot table. My use case here is very simple. I have a pivot table with the cost of salaries, bonuses, and then what percentage we gave in bonus for each department. But the trick is that this is already sorted descending from the cost of salaries. So I'm not really sure how each individual department ranks on the scale of bonuses. I would like to add a new column to tell me that. And here is how to do it. I'm going to simply duplicate the bonus percentage column by adding it again to my pivot table. And this is simply going to add a new column in here that we're going to rename as rank for bonus. And now to actually make this column show our ranking, we are going to go to value field settings, go to show values as, and then from over here, scroll down and select rank largest to smallest. And then the base field in my case is going to stay as the department because my pivot table is just being shown by department. If you have multiple values, then you need to figure out which one do you want to use. But in this simple example, we just keep it as department. So I'm hitting OK. And just like that, we created another column that at a glance shows me how each bonus ranks in our list. We know that the marketing department had the highest percentage of bonus, while the legal department has the lowest percentage of bonus. But then, for example, we know that research and development is number 5, human resources number 2, and so on. Let me know if you found this tip useful. Hit the thumbs up button, subscribe. If you have questions, leave them in the comments and I'll try to help you out. And subscribe for more videos like this one.